Your lesson essential question is, how do we identify the main topic and key details of a text? So today we're actually going to be reviewing something from second grade. And we're going to be identifying the main topic, which you remember is what the text is all about, and those key details that support the main topic. You've been working with key details a lot in your writing this year because they support your opening statement of your writing. So as you remember from last year, the main topic is what the text is all about, and I like to look at it like a table. So if the top of the table were my main topic, those key details, those legs of the table, support the main topic. They explain the main topic. So the main topic of the text is what the text is all about, and the key details are the most important details that support the main topic. So you're going to be asking yourself, what is the text all about? What details explain the main topic? And how are the details connected to each other? So the first thing that you're going to do is read the text and decide what the text is all about by identifying that main topic. Then you'll identify the key details that support the main topic. And you can do that by looking at each paragraph and seeing, what does this paragraph tell me about the main topic? Then you're going to talk or write about the text by explaining the main topic and the details that support the main topic. So again, we're just reviewing from second grade right now. And I'm going to have you practice using this story. So today you're going to be reading this on your own. This is a second grade text, and you're going to be writing in the discussion post what it's all about, and then you're going to be choosing 3 key details. You might remember this graphic organizer from last year. This is how we set up our note-taking for main topic and key details. So today, again, you're reading this text on your own, and you're reviewing from last year. So you're going to tell me what the main topic is and tell me 3 key details. Tomorrow we're diving into the 3rd grade skill, main idea. So I really want to make sure you remember main topic before we start main idea.